Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can back up your data using OneDrive from Microsoft. Now OneDrive is a program that comes pre-installed by default with Windows 10. So if you have a Windows 10 operating system running on your computer, you would have OneDrive. The reason I'm explaining about OneDrive today is because it's very simple to back up your data, and the good thing is that you will have data backed up on your local computer on the C drive, and you'll have data backed up with the cloud with Microsoft OneDrive, and they're both going to be synced, so this way your data would be residing in two places, and if something happens to your hard drive, or you lost your computer, or whatever loss of data you might encounter on your computer or local hard drive, you can always just sign back into your OneDrive, and just automatically the data would come back to your computer, or would download again to your computer and sync again. So it's a really nice and powerful tool. Microsoft gives some storage for free when you have any account with live.com or .ca, or hotmail.com or .ca, which doesn't exist anymore, or outlook.com with Microsoft. So I'm going to show you how that works. So first you just have to click start and then type OneDrive, and then you just click open in here, and then you just type in your email. I'm just going to put my email here and just click sign in, and then you just type your password, click sign in, then you just click next. Basically this is explaining about the privacy, that the data is being stored with Microsoft, that you remain the owner of the data. So you just have to click next in here. I wouldn't do that. It's up to you if you want to choose yes. I'm gonna say don't send optional data. I'm gonna click accept. In here we're gonna set up the OneDrive. So for example, I'm gonna make it C users under my user OneDrive. You can change the location. You can even change D drive if you have. I don't have a D drive in here, so I'm gonna leave it at C. And the good thing, even if something happens to Windows, or my hard drive got corrupt, or I can't recover my data, I can always sign back into OneDrive and data would be pulled back to the new hard drive. So I'm going to click next in here, and then it should ask me what to back up. I'm going to choose everything, like desktop, documents, and pictures. Like this is all basically on my C drive. So anything you would have on desktop saved, anything you would have on document folder saved, or pictures, it would automatically be saved. And see that it's going to give us 5 GB, which is pretty good for a free OneDrive storage space, and also free email from Microsoft. I'm going to click continue. Here's going to set up the permissions for the drive, and then afterwards it's just going to tell me that I can drag and drop whatever I want into these folders, and automatically the data would be synced with Microsoft OneDrive on the cloud. I'm going to click next, then I'm going to click next again here, and then I'm gonna just make sure it's always available. I don't want to make it only on this device, or only online only. I'm gonna make it always available, so that whenever I want to access any data, I can access them way faster from the computer. If you don't have much space on the C drive, you can choose the other options with online only on this device. In this case, I'm just gonna choose always available, and click next. I'm not gonna worry about setting it up on my mobile. If you want, you can get the mobile app and access OneDrive from your mobile and check your data that way. It's really a cool tool, because then literally you can see your data anywhere, from any platform, even from your phone. I'm gonna click later, and eventually I'm gonna click open OneDrive folder, and in here you would see everything will be synced: desktop, documents, pictures. So it's pretty cool, because documents would have like whatever documents I'm gonna put in there, and pictures. So this way I'm saved and I'm backed up. And it's 5 GB, so it's pretty like a good storage for my personal stuff. So this is all about OneDrive, guys. So I want to share it with you, so that you have this free service for Microsoft that allows you to have a backup of your data very easily. Just as long as you have internet, your data is backed up and synced with the cloud. The other thing I want to mention is, if you don't have OneDrive installed, it's very simple. You just have to go to Google and just type download, just in case like OneDrive is not coming up by default with Windows 10. You just have to click download OneDrive in Google, and you just basically go to this link, the first link, and I'm gonna put this link in the description box, and then just click download in here, and that will download the OneDrive setup, and then it's going to be a very simple install. Just basically click it. Just make sure you're an administrator of the computer. You just click in there, just open up the OneDrive setup.exe, and the wizard will come up and they will guide you through the installation. Here it's telling me I'm already have a newer version of OneDrive installed. In your case, if you don't have it, it will just install. So it's just telling me I have to uninstall first for installing this version. I don't need to do this, so I'm going to click close. But I wanted to show you that it's possible to have OneDrive downloaded for free from Microsoft website in case you don't have it preloaded with Windows 10 by default. That's all about this video, guys.